Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix game stuck on loading screen. If your Netflix game is stuck on loading screen, then don't worry. This is a common issue and can be fixed easily. First, check your internet connection because slow or unstable Wi-Fi is the main reason that the games freeze while loading. Next, restart your router and try again. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, close the apps completely on your phone, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then try launching the game again from the game section. If it still gets stuck, restart your device. This clears temporary system errors that may be blocking the game from loading. Next, head over to your App Store and your Play Store and make sure that your Netflix app is updated to the latest version because old versions can cause loading problems. If nothing works, clear the app's cache or reinstall the Netflix and sign in again. Now your game should properly load without getting stuck. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.